The quarter between the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) and Oga Yaya Bello, wey be the former Kogi State Governor, e dey continue to dey escalate, e dey continue to dey rise like garri wey soak water. And based on how the matter don be so, based on how the quarter come dey waka towards this direction, if you check am properly, you go see am say resolution e no dey front. And that, my good people, na sake of say the operatives of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission with EFCC, they been try to arrest Oga Yaya Bello for the late Wednesday night after they don surround the Kogi State Government Lodge wey dey for inside Asokoro, Abuja, where the former governor was reportedly hiding. Now, despite a prolonged siege upon say the anti-graft agency wey be EFCC, they don mount, they try to catch the man, they no still fit arrest Oga Yaya Bello. And this man wey be Oga Yaya Bello na person wey be say the EFCC don plaster am wanted, and him follow for the many politicians wey don enter the blacklist of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission wey be EFCC. Oga Yaya Bello, wey be the former Kogi State Governor, im offence be say im dey wanted for alleged money laundering wey involve the sum of 80.2 billion naira. And Oga Yaya Bello bin don claim before say im don honour the invitation of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, say im no get anything to hide. But however, my good people, tori people don receive legit intel from legit source, and the koko be say after how many hours wey the EFCC don plaster siege, they dey try to arrest Oga Yaya Bello for inside the lodge, the EFCC operatives dey no succeed. And that na because say the current governor of Kogi State, wey be Oga Yaya Bello successor, im name na Governor Usman Ododo, im dey interfere for the matter, im dey stand as barricade. The things and things wey the man dey do, e dey make the EFCC dey frustrated. They no come fit proceed to go arrest Oga Yaya Bello. Now, the governor is being accused of providing cover for Oga Yaya Bello, wey be the former governor of Kogi State. The things wey the governor dey do now, e dey make things dey difficult for the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission wey be EFCC, and e dey make am dey difficult for EFCC to execute the arrest warrant. Now, even one detective from the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, na him come carry im mouth come dey tell tori people say if not because of Oga Yaya Bello successor, a sitting governor wey dey provide cover, wey dey shield Oga Yaya Bello, say they for don arrest am since. No be small matter, my good people. I know say as things be, the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, they no fit move, they no fit do anything, say they wan arrest the current governor of Kogi State, wey be Usman Ododo, because im get immunity as a governor. EFCC no fit do anything. But I know very well say the EFCC, they write this matter down. They just dey wait now make Oga Usman Ododo just come down as governor. Then they go come bring out all his sins. They come arrange everything, come plaster them against them. And that time, the EFCC, they will come to pursue Usman Ododo. We could see whether he sabi run like Oga Yaya Bello, wey in dey try to protect. But another truth of the matter, my good people, be say this matter, it is getting more complicated. This one wey Oga Yaya Bello does still escape arrest, and he use the same method wey he use the first time wey EFCC then try to arrest am for inside the month of April for inside this year 2024. And with the way Oga Yaya Bello dey perform, that to tell you say in hand, no dey clean at all. The EFCC they don summon am how many times? Even court sef don plan say make him present himself for court, make him complete in case. But like the man, he no gree show up. But before the matter cast like this, Oga Yaya Bello be agree to cooperate with the EFCC. But when the EFCC now come plaster for him domot, say Yaya will follow us Congo station, this man he run. And the report that time be say the current governor of Kogi State, to be Usman Ododo, na carry am for a motor comot for a house. Now make the EFCC they no fit come arrest am that day. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, wey dey led by their chairman, wey dey go by the name Ola Olukoyede, in dey very much cautious now in the approach of the matter due to legal considerations, particularly Governor Usman Ododo immunity. He know very well say he no fit touch the governor of Kogi State. Now why him dey follow the matter small. Now, based on the actions of Yaya Bello, even plus this current one now wey don still escape arrest, that to tell us say he no ready to present himself to the EFCC. But you see, the EFCC, they don already cross mind say last we must arrest this man, maybe Oga Yaya Bello. No be small matter, my good people. Now you see this controversy, so this gbege, the thing can't change gear after the allegation say Oga Yaya Bello transfer $720,000 wey belong to government fund. This man use the money to pay im children school fees, im children wey dey school for abroad. Him pay the school fees now before him come comot for office. Just imagine that kind of levels. Now person go reason say based on say im ten ure don finish o, him look left look right, he no know wetin go do. Then na to gbarawo $720,000, no be naira o. However, my good people, the legal team of Yaya Bello, they constantly deny the allegations. They say the man he no do that kind thing o, he no get any time when transfer any money o. Say he dey very much innocent o. He go follow the matter in all legal proceedings. He go follow am up bomber to bomber, but show up for court na wahala. The Economic and Financial Crimes Commission be EFCC. They dey struggle no be small. They dey sweat to arrest Oga Yaya Bello, and they no resemble the commission wey ready to back down. They no resemble commission wey go give up. They say they must arrest the man. They must bring am to justice over allegations of corruption and money laundering. However, my good people, as this standoff between the former governor and the anti-graft agency wey be EFCC, as the matter dey continue, e dey very much unclear where this saga go lead us to, and e dey very much unclear whether the sagas e go conclude anytime soon. But for now, my good people, wetin we know for sure be say the EFCC wey be Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, they don reportedly start to revise their strategy in a bid to finally apprehend Oga Yaya Bello. Now they strategize, they bring up new plans, they bring up new ideas, they make new moves on how they will arrest the man. This their new move, this their new strategy. They have not made it public. They never yarn to the people wetin dey sup. They never tell us the tactics wey they wan use. They don't keep them secret. But we hope say the efforts of the EFCC no go dey in vain. Any jagoda politician wey dey for inside the country Nigeria, wetin say they go fit gbarawo the fund of the federal government, the fund wey belong to the general public, they can't use them for their own personal benefits. That kind of levels no go work. Although this our country Nigeria, e get as e be sha, politics no make sense at all. The politicians and some agencies, they are not helping matters. But e go nice wella if the EFCC wake up and to tell those jagoda politicians say they whine themselves and make them bring all of them to justice. This my good people, now they informate we I want share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give una legit information on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So if you like this news and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news they come, I go first receive the updates and I go catch them sharp. I dey come your side again with another interesting informate for you, my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.